Do my long hello pretty faces. It is your favorite face, I hope, Jill, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually a bit excited because I am doing another review. So I wonder if you guys can guess what review I am doing today. I did post this on my Instagram. Hint hint, tisk tisk. Today we are doing a review on the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and this particular palette is from her vault. I only got one because firstly I'm not on a PR list. Secondly, it's expensive for all four of them. Thirdly, I'm a budget queen, so I get what I want, when I want, how I want, within the budget. So anyway, if you're new to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for watching. And on this channel I do everything beauty, travel and lifestyle. So let's talk about the packaging. I love this packaging. I just love the white with a little bit of silver. It is so cute. And then at the back, Miss Jaclyn Hill herself with a little message. I'm so excited to finally show you guys the shades I've stashed away in the vault. I hope you love this collection. The one that I picked out was a Dark Magic. You guys can see, as you guys can see, I haven't even opened it, I haven't touched it. I had to do it like, you know, the real anticipation, like dum 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 dum. It's cute though. And then, gosh, how do we open? Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm actually loving this palette. First thing, it has a mirror. Yay! So it's travel friendly. I love makeup that is travel friendly, that has a mirror in it, so that I don't have to pack an additional mirror. So thumbs up to that, Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. These shades are alive. Oh my goodness. Oh my word, I'm literally freaking out about these shades. I can't wait to try them. I really want to play around with this one, the green one. Okay, that's the one I just swatched. That's the green one. Ooh, Temptress. Look at this. Oh gosh, guys, there's so many. Ooh, this is black. Okay, they are, first thing, what I'm noticing off the back, it is pigmented. Secondly, these colors, I feel like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 7. Kan ek dan nie tel nie? 2, 4, 6, 7. There are 7 matte colors, and then 3 glittery shimmery colors. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play around with these colors. I'm gonna do it on camera so you guys can see how it really turns out. But as what I wanted to say about the vault is I only have one of the 4. If I'm not mistaken, there are 3 more palettes, and they are actually good. You guys can go check it out on a Morphe website. And let's get right into this review. So I have already primed my eyes. When I say prime, I just mean like foundation and powder, because I don't really use eye primers. For me, I don't really want to spend unnecessary money. So if it's not necessary, why would I really spend that money? I mean, I can still achieve the same look just by using what I have. So the color that I really want to go in with, I don't know, I feel like for transitioning color I'm gonna go in with this one, and that is Shh. So I'm gonna go in with the color Shh. Okay, Miss Jaclyn. This is my first Jaclyn Hill palette because I can't afford the other one. Like, I just can't. So this is the first time that I'm trying, and the first time that I've bought actually. So we'll see what the fuss is about. So I feel like, okay. So it's not very pigmented. This color is not really pigmented. It's more like a beigey brown look. As you can see, it's giving me like a beigey brown look. And the reason why I'm going with a lighter transitioning color is because I feel like doing like a smoky eye. But I feel like doing it, but you never know what happens. And I don't put on foundation because I just kind of want to see fallout, if there's fallout and stuff. But like from the get-go, I don't see any fallout, which is a plus. And I am loving this mirror, so okay. And then, guys, I'm experimenting, so please bear with me. I'm gonna go in with Temptress, this one here, the Jet Black. I think this might be a mistake, but we'll see. Oh gosh. Okay, do you see how pigmented that is? Oh gosh, gotta work nicely with this one. So pigmented. Okay, one of the first palettes I actually bought myself, and that was a Bobbi Brown one. So it was a smoky eye palette, and I loved it. It was a bit expensive. It was like, I remember it was 300 and something, but I still splurged because I wanted to. And at that time, like, I was like, girl. So, you know, I'm also saying you're working, you're trying the most. I just can't get over how pigmented this black is, and a little goes a long way. So pigmented. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, Miss Jaclyn coming through. Okay. I don't know if I want to go darker. Okay, let's just a tinchy darker, just a smidge of darkness. Oh my gosh. And you know, the best thing about this palette is I am just patting the black on. I haven't even started to do the most, literally just patting it on. Okay. I've heard some mixed reviews about this palette, so to tell the truth, I do not really know what to expect from this palette. Like, I saw that they said she over marketed this palette, but I don't think so. So far, I don't think so. So I think she actually did a pretty good job with this. And these were the leftover colors from her other palette. Remember that big palette she has? The big one that I cannot afford. This is so the little vaults, the 4 palettes, the little vaults are the leftover colors she had from her previous collection, or her previous creation, if I could say that. Then, okay, this is a black, like jet black. I feel like I will, for now, that should work. I really want to try this color in my inner lid. I feel like that's gonna look bomb. But let's see how it takes. Because pigmentation is good, but you know, sometimes when it's transitioning on skin tones, not that good. So I hope I don't look dead. So, or like a zombie. Oh, OMGs. Oh my gosh. These matte colors are everything. Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. I am loving this palette. Why did it take me so long to play with this palette? Niaman, kijk net hierso. Yes, like it. It's so cute. I love the pigmentation. Oh, guys, whoever said this palette is not bomb, there was something wrong with them. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god. Guys. Mara guys. Just look at that. The pigment. Oh, sure. Yeah, look at. Oh my goodness. Okay. Even though I'm miniature freaking out, I would have liked the green to be a bit darker though. But from what I'm getting, this is bomb. This is like the bomb.com. And you'll see that I'm bringing it over to the black to give it like a dark midnight green. They're just mixing my colors up. And it's my eyes, so I can do whatever I want. My review. My money, so I can experiment as much as I want. You'll see that I'm going a bit over, which I never do, but I'll clean that up because I feel like this color, like, just look at that. Oh, shabby shabba, I freaking love this. Okay, so what are we gonna do? This is blending amazing. And I haven't even started like doing the most. So what I want to do is, I want to blend, and then I want to try the trickery, this green on top. Like do like a, I don't do cut creases, so do like a shibashang. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, now the blending process, which is not my favorite. You'll see that I'm going exactly in with the same brush that I used to put the on. And the reason for this is it still has my transition color on, and I just feel like I like blending with my transition color, that everything just flows. So it's not like different colors or different dimensions. I mean, like, that's why we all blend. My blending game is not that good, but whatever, it is what it is, right? I just feel like I am okay. I'm gonna go in with this again with my transitioning color. It's coming out a bit darker than I expected. Like, I feel like I've got raccoon eyes, so just gonna pack that up, give some dimension there. Just again packing. I feel like I'm repeating the same steps over and over and over again. I don't know, what do you guys think? I feel like when I have lashes on, this look will come together. So we're going in with the trickety color. And I just kind of want to build that up. So I'm mixing it up with the matte. The green is a bit fading. So the green is a bit fading, yeah. I am actually liking this eye look. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do my other eye, and then we're going to come back to put this look together. Okay, so I finished this eye, and this is how it looks so far. Firstly, I feel like the colors are super pigmented, and I feel like it goes from skin color to skin color about how it's going to turn out on your skin tone. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just quickly going to clean it up more. Okay, give it a more shabba look. Okay, there we go. Make it more neat. I hate lines, guys. There you go. Okay. And then we're gonna do the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the same color that I used there for the Smoky Nations. Then for here in the corners, I'm going in with this. You guys knew it was coming. I didn't even have to tell you. It was coming. It was coming. In our corners, we're going to go in with this little mister here. I have mixed emotions about this look. Like, ugh. But right now, I'm going to put on mascara, do lashes, do foundation, and then put this look together. So this is the final look, and I must say I am loving it. It came together very nicely, very unexpected, but it came together very nicely. This palette is bomb. I'm just saying, it is bomb. I don't have anything negative to say about it. There's no fallout. The mattes are so easy to work with. The pigmentation is amazing, and it's nice and small and compact to carry. And I mean, guys, it has a mirror. I mean, what else do you need? For me personally, because I travel, this is the best palette to have with me in my bag. If you like this tutorial, or if you like this review, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Till I see you next time. Bye.